Let's now look at the skeletal formula of the molecules given to us. First of all, this molecule in A, it has 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms with an OH on position 2, so therefore this would be propan-2-ol. The first carbon here is this one over here, the second carbon here is this one, and the third carbon here is that over there. And finally, the OH, as I said before, is on position 2, which is this over here. For part B, we have 1, 2, 3 carbons in the longest chain. Remember, anything in a bracket is actually a branch. So 1, 2, 3 in the main chain will make it a prop molecule, and onto position 2 we have a chlorine and a methyl. So this will be 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. Again, we have the first carbon here, which is that one over there. We have the second carbon here, and the third carbon over here. The methyl groups, or methyl group I should say, this methyl group is actually the one over here. So the methyl group here is this one over here. And finally, the chlorine is on carbon atom number 2, which is this over here. For option C, we have 1, 2, 3 carbons altogether. Again, it will be a propane, and we have a chlorine on position 2, so this would be 2-chloropropane. First carbon is this one here and here. Second carbon here is this one here. Third carbon here is this one here. And finally, the chlorine here is on carbon atom 2, which is this one over here. Finally, in option D, we have 1, 2, 3 carbons with the chlorine on position 1. So we actually start naming from this end, 1, 2, 3. So this would be chloropropane. So carbon atom here is this one here. This one over here is there. The third one is there, and finally chlorine right on position 1 is this one over here. And just to emphasize, the numbering starts from here: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This way round we have the lowest number going to chlorine rather than starting from here, which would give us 1, 2, 3, but we actually want 1, 2, 3 to give us 1 chloropropane.